We are reviewing a webcam today. This little baby here. This is a 4K webcam and it costs just under £40 at the time of making this video. And as always, I will stick a link in the video description so you can go and check it out. I have a Logitech 220. This is a 1080p. So it'd be interesting to find out if it's better quality. It's 4K, so it should be sharper at least. So with that, let's get on with it and do the unboxing. Right, let's have a quick look around the box. It says a fixed focus USB plug and play, 25 frames per second video resolution, built-in microphone, widescreen video. And the same again on the other side. So let's get one done. Made in China. So we have instructions. I might read that, I might not. I'll have a glance through it. And we have the webcam. And that is it. So I've had something similar to this with this sort of mounting before, and we will be using this mounting just to test it on my monitor and the little lens. It says on the Amazon website that it says webcam, USB webcam with microphone privacy cover. I think they mean camera cover, not microphone cover, because it's not going to stop the microphone, is it? I wouldn't have thought so anyway. So looking at it, it looks quite nice actually. It's quite chunky, and that probably does come off. I'm not going to take it apart. So it's 4K, 25 frames per second. And you can also mount it on a tripod or something. So that's pretty good. I'm not going to mount it. I'm going to just stick it on top of my monitor and give it a test. I will have a measure up of the lead. So give me a couple of minutes while I set it all up. Right, I've had a quick measure up of the lead and it's approximately 1.4 meters long. So nice length. So with that, let's set her up. Right, she's up and running right now. It was plug and play like I said it was, and we are using the onboard microphone. It is a dual microphone as well, and we are using that right now. So it might sound a bit echoey, might sound a bit flat. I haven't listened to it myself yet, so yeah, I'm sorry about that. But I thought it was important that we use the onboard microphone because you might be using the onboard microphone in the future if you decide you want to buy one. So with that, there's a couple of features I want to go through with you first that I didn't mention earlier. One being the little cover, this little baby here. Yeah, you can remove that. It's quite easy to do. That is it. Just unplug it, unconnect it, and you can plug it in. And you can put it back on just as easy as what you can take it off. It's very easy to do. So if you don't want to use that, you just take it off altogether. So that is that done. Also, it is dual microphone and it has a light on it, like I didn't mention earlier. Apparently it comes in two formats. It comes with a light or without a light. This has the light on. So the way it works is you just touch the sides and it has 3 different modes. That, brighter, brighter and off. And each time I do that it moves. So has 3 different modes like I said, depending on your environment. You might want it on or off. At the moment it's quite light outside and I've got overhead lights on up there. I've got no studio lights on, just got normal lights on. But I wanted to show you how it looked, and also the software I'm using to do this video on. I have not made any adjustments. I've just plugged it in, switched it over to it, and that is it. So what we're going to do now, by the way, it's running at 2160, so it is 4K, yeah? What we're going to do now is I'm going to switch over to my Logitech webcam and see what the difference is. So have a quick look around. Obviously I need a shave, I definitely need a haircut, and I've got a spot. There. And the 4K camera is set further back as well, probably about 4 or 5 inches. So I wanted to point that out to you as well, just in case you thought, well, the other one looks closer. I believe you can just zoom in anyway. I think there's settings somewhere. I don't know exactly where it is, but you should be able to just zoom in. So let's go over to the Logitech, shall we? Right, now we're on the Logitech. I'm still using the 4K microphone, but we are recording from the Logitech. I think. Yeah, hopefully anyway. That or you can't hear me. Yeah, we should be recording from, the video should be recording from the Logitech, and I believe the audio is actually coming from the 4K camera. Hopefully anyway. So yeah, now you can see me on here, and yeah, like I said, it is a bit closer. The camera's definitely closer, so it might look like I'm a bit sharper because you're closer to me. But picture quality for the Logitech, bearing in mind it's a 1080p, but it is 30 frames per second, whereas the 4K is only 25 frames per second. So it does make a bit of a difference. Again, nice and clear. Do need a shave, like I said, see that spot quite easily, and definitely need a haircut. Yeah. So let me know what you think. Whether you think the 4K is better, or about the same, or is not as good. Let me know in the comments what you think of the quality. I'm going to go back to the 4K one now, and yeah, I'll be back. Right, I am back now, so we're back with the 4K one. So yeah, like I said, I've made no adjustments to the software. You will have to play about with it to fine tune it to get your contrast and brightness all sorted. But I just plugged it straight in because I wanted to see what it looks like when you just plug the thing in, and away you go. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. You know, I would have liked more frames per second, but that might be in the future. Who knows? Might get another one. So with that, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you any money whatsoever, and it helps my channel keep on going, and it helps me to carry on making more content like this. Thanks very much for watching. Yeah, baby.